This is a certified pre-owned 2011 Ford Expedition. This SUV has an automatic transmission and a 5.4-liter V8. Its top features include a double wishbone independent front suspension, power adjustable driver pedals, traction control and stability control systems, commercial-free satellite radio, and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: air conditioning, cruise control, an auto-dimming rear-view mirror, a leather-wrapped steering wheel, a trailer hitch receiver, a four-wheel independent suspension, running boards, dusk-sensing headlights, front and rear reading lights, and this vehicle has less than 27,000 miles. The Ford Pre-Owned certification, a 169-point inspection and reconditioning process, a 6-year 100,000-mile powertrain limited warranty, and a 3-month 3,000-mile comprehensive limited warranty, plus Ford Motor Company's 24-hour roadside assistance program. Contact us today to arrange your test drive.
Jack Safro Ford is dedicated to doing everything possible to ensure that the experience you have selecting your next vehicle is as pleasant as possible. We are located at 1000 East Summit Avenue in Oconomowoc.